Hi, good afternoon, buenas tardes. Buenas tardes de Suchitoto. I'm in the beautiful colonial town of Suchitoto. There's me mate Lee. Alright Lee. Hey. So come up to the mountains to this beautiful colonial town. We're gonna go explore and see what it's all about. It's beautiful so far. Fruit trees everywhere and look at these beautiful side streets. But Suchitoto, El Salvador. Yeah, it's gorgeous. This town up in the mountains, only about an hour and a half, depending on the traffic, outside of the capital, San Salvador. And we had a great drive. Beautiful countryside. It's a lot cleaner and green and fruit trees everywhere, lovely little villages. And this is really special. Gorgeous. Nice blue sky today as well, mate. Look at that. I must say I thought it would be a lot busier, but we seem to be the only tourists here. Quiet at the moment. Maybe gas prices and jet fuel, but it's a lot quieter than I thought. Cobbled streets. Little outdoor markets. Little street markets. What a beautiful little town. Lovely. We're just going to try and find some food. That looks really good there. Yeah. Lovely craft market selling tourist knickknacks. There's a doggy having a wash in the fountain. The dog's having a bath. Ah. And there's the main church. Beautiful white church, always the heart of the main square. There's the Neveria, mate, the ice cream. Beautiful little buildings. What a great place. What a really great place. I like it a lot. Want to go in the church or should we get some food first? Okay. Gonna get some nice breakfast and a coffee and then keep exploring. So Suchitoto, we like it so far. Great first impressions. Vamos. Look at these streets.
Like Colonial zone, isn't it?
Yeah. Excuse me. Nice and peaceful and quiet too. Beautiful coffee shops and restaurants. Excuse me, I'm filming here.
Oh, sorry.
You're live. Say something. Say something to the 32 people that are going to watch this, mate. He said something. So yeah, beautiful church, white church. Not sure if it's a cathedral because maybe this isn't the city. Looks like some rain coming in. I love the colours and the tranquility. Just had a really nice lunch. Lots of great meat and fried tortillas, really good food. And yeah, these colonial towns, certainly unless they're big cities, they're pretty small. They, you know, life revolves around the central square. It used to be the government and church, religion and government. Look at this beautiful green shop here. Lovely colours, but If you've done any travelling around Central and Latin America, you'll see lots of these towns, but this is a nice little cute one. Not very big. Enjoying exploring. Look at these gorgeous houses, look at that. I think you probably spend a day or two here. Next week the plan is to go to Antigua, Guatemala, which is much bigger, much more famous, but we shall see. But I definitely recommend this. You recommend this, mate? It's a good place to come to. Oh, there's some desserts there. Look at that. Right, we might have to go in there. Sorbets, ice cream, blue sky. Look at that. Artisanal sorbets. Watermelons, giant fresh watermelons, sandia.